Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your perfume box order. Okay, so basically you can cancel your order like if your order is not shipped, okay, or if order is already dispatched, you are not able to cancel your order. Okay, so if your order is already dispatched, so forget about to cancel your order. You just need to wait. When the product is delivered, you need to return your order. Okay, this is the only way. Okay, now if we talk about like if order is not delivered and if order is not dispatched, if it's not in shipping condition, if the order is in their warehouse, you need to send an email. Okay, the email format, you can see this kind of email you need to compose, and once your email is done, you can take a screenshot of this format, or you can take help from ChatGPT. And once your email is done, you need to send the email at their email address, that is like info@theperfumebox.com. okay, or you can also contact with the customer support by using this contact form, like name, email, phone number, message. In the message box you need to paste the same thing, and once they receive your email, like they will cancel your order or they will update you you are able to cancel your order or not. Okay, so this is the only way by which you can cancel your order. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and the contact page link in our video description box. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.